I told you earlier one more question that one asked the interviewer for the experienced people. Even you are experienced with 2 years, 3 years, up to 10 years. Okay. Even in my company, one of the seniors, the people giving the interview, they have only 15 years experience, but they ask these questions. Find the second highest number from the list using Python. Okay. And the second highest we need to print the expected output like that, this one, and they will give the list like that. Okay, now we'll run and check how it is working. So what I what okay, first I have to run and we'll see. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, no problem. So okay, let's little bit I am explaining. So it is taking maximum number is equal to len 0. Len 0 means they're taking the first of the length. Okay, and second maximum number is taking one, list of one. List of one means this item. So he taking the this item and this item. Okay, this is first variable, this is second variable. Now come to the for loop. For loop come whatever loop is there. Okay, the loop, and then we check I value. I value, what is the I value of max number? Max number में I value क्या है? This one. And second max में क्या है? This one. So checking I is greater than max number, then second max में max number को put कर दो, and max number में I को put कर दो. Understood? Huh? First what it is, he putting the I into, if it's checking I greater than max number, then second max assign second max, max number assigned into second max, and max number taking the value which coming from the I. Okay, then else part coming, checking the condition second is greater than I value and I not is equal to the max number. Then come to assign the I into second max number. So like that is programming working. Okay, I will debug and show you, then we'll get to know better. Forty came, checking the 40, else condition also checking. 3 coming, comparing that value. 50, third position, checking. 60, fourth position. 99. Okay, 99, triple nine, 9, 99. So it is printing 99. Okay, I will try to change the data and we'll see what is happening. So I will put second highest triple bit. I hope it should run. Oh yeah, come, good. Like mine, like you change the data dynamically, it's come the answer. This is good, nah? Like, please like it, and we'll run it again. We'll show you support about the two here also. Okay, we'll run it and see. Okay, good. So we start the loop. Now as list came, checking first item. Now checking with second item. Now checking with third item. Now checking with fourth or fifth item. Now sixth item. Now seventh item. Now eighth item. So now it is calculated and it already stored the value here. I will get it the triple eight. These two questions from experience function 100% asked. When I was also giving the interview, 100% this question they will ask. Okay. Okay, be prepared. Like, comment, share with freshers. Mostly, I am requesting to you share with college people. Those who have in last year, they need this type of the program and they want to learn, but they won't get. Please share with them. Very useful is. Okay. Thank you for watching.